Start with a single-family home. If you're new to rental property investing, starting with a single-family home is often the smartest move. These properties are easier to manage compared to multifamily units and tend to attract long-term tenants like small families or young professionals. Plus, they're a bit less overwhelming when you're just getting started. Single-family homes are typically located in suburban areas, which often offer good schools and safe environments, key factors for attracting quality tenants. These properties also tend to appreciate in value over time, making them a solid long-term investment. Maintenance and repairs are usually more straightforward with single-family homes. You won't have to deal with multiple units or tenants under one roof. This simplicity can give you the confidence to learn the ropes without feeling like you're in over your head. By starting with a single-family home, you'll build valuable experience while creating a stable source of income. Once you've got the hang of it, you can expand your portfolio to include more complex properties.